Okay, this is a 38 millimeter, 90 gram N2O hybrid rocket motor. The fuel is magnesium impregnated rubber, and the cartridge is from a company called Liss, and it was originally used to make whipped cream. Restaurant used them. It contains 90 gram. I've modified it so that it can be refilled, and I'm using an aluminum nozzle with a 100-degree convergence, and it's got about the same shape and output as a Aerotech nozzle for their 120 Newton-second motor. My test stand right here. Put this in here. Wire this up. There's an onboard delay in ejection. I'm estimating the delay at about 9 seconds. I hope that it's right around that. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're going to start this going. Okay, test stand is running. Come on, igniter. And the igniter isn't going.